Hello, this is Ovana Marie and I am back with another video for you guys. If this is your first time at my channel, welcome. If this is not your first time, welcome back, and I'm glad we're able to kick it with each other once again. So today I'm going to be designing our first design with me for Craftsmas. Yes, like I said in the past two videos, I will be doing Craftsmas. I won't be posting every day, but I'm gonna try to give you as much content as I possibly can for this month. So with that being said, the videos are going to be a little bit shorter, so I'm gonna make nice simple pieces for you guys to enjoy, and also it's a good way to showcase how with a little bit of short time how you can still make beautiful jewelry pieces. So without further ado, oh, I forgot, Melody the Christmas tree. She is here in her raw form again. She ain't queued up yet, but it's okay, she's gonna get there. But glam jewels, Melody the Christmas tree, Melody the Christmas tree, glam jewels. Y'all met her already in the other video, but just in case you didn't, there she is, and she is our special guest for the month of December, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and get started with this. I'm going to flip the camera, put it on my designing board, and let's get straight to it, okay? See you at the board. Hello. So we're back on the mat. It's been a while since we've been on here, but hello, Matt. Nice to see you again. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started because I remember this is going to be short videos here for Craftsmas. So the charms that I'm going to be using for the earrings today are going to be these charms here that I got from Joann's. They are just the cutest. There's some Christmas bows here. Very cute. And of course you get three colors. You get green, you get gold, and you get red. And you get two of each kind. Absolutely cute. It says $10.99 up here, but I did get it when they have a sale, so it was cheaper when I bought it. So, you know, if you go on the website and you want this, it might be a different price. So yes, this is their holiday collection. So most likely the only time you'll be able to get it is around this time. So yes, this is going to be the charm here. And I'm going to be using these beautiful little findings with it today. These are absolutely cute. These here was actually an earring set, but it had another piece of gold finding with it, but I split them all because I kind of like them separate, and I got them from Hobby Lobby. Let me show you what I'm talking about here, because I have one more that is still intact. It's this here. These are very cute by themselves, but I split them up because I've been making them some jewelry pieces with this by itself, and obviously today I'm making this by itself. So this is where I got here, and this is going to be a part of it. I am also going to be using the beads that I used on the live that I had on Thursday. These beautiful little red faceted clear beads. Absolutely beautiful and sparkly. So this here is going to be the design. Of course, the tools I'm going to be using, my pliers here. These two pliers. Of course, I'm going to have some jump rings. I'm going to be using these ear wires here, and of course I'm going to have my jump rings. Let me go ahead and grab those as well so you can see them. And I plan on getting some more new jump rings because I'm not very fond of these, but we're going to work with these today. Okay, so let me make sure you guys can see everything here that we're going to be using. This is going to be a very simple design, nothing too crazy. So again, these are going to be shorter videos, so they're going to be way more simple, not too complicated designs for this month. Alrighty, so now you know what we have. Let's go ahead. Oh yeah, and I'm going to be using some head pins as well. So let's just go ahead and get designing. Okay, so I did the other earring off camera, and so this is the final design. Aren't they cute? This cute little Christmas bows with little sparkle rhinestones here. Well, not rhinestones, crystal beads here. Aren't they just gorgeous? So beautiful. I hope you guys can really see it. Good. Let me see here. If I can lay them down just a little bit so you guys can see how they are looking. Yes, these are absolutely beautiful. Let me zoom in for you guys there. These are absolutely gorgeous, just beautiful. Absolutely love them. Absolutely love them. As you see, it was a little bit of struggle for me doing the first one, but the second one was a little bit more of a breeze. But yes, that is the design for today, you guys. I absolutely love it, and I hope you guys love it too. Let me know in the comments below if you like it. Yeah. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to flip the camera right on back so we can go ahead and end the video. Okay, so that's all I have for today. Aren't they just the cutest earrings? Don't worry, you get another close-up. I promise you. I thank you all for supporting me. I thank you all for watching my channel, watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, honey. Oh, and don't forget to like and comment as well. Don't forget to click on that notification bell so you know when I post a video, so that way you can like and comment, okay? Also, I have other social media platforms that you can also follow me on, particularly the one right here, which is my Instagram. I want to get my Instagram family up as well as my YouTube family up. I'm on the way to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, y'all. Let's get the family up. Let's get the glam jewels up here, okay? Again, I thank you guys. I appreciate every single thing, every comment, every like, every watch. I appreciate every single one of you. I don't care if the watch is just for 30 seconds. I absolutely appreciate it. Also, it's the season for giving, and I do have a jewelry business, so I will leave the link in the description box for my jewelry page, my jewelry website. If you're interested in any pieces that I have on there, or you want something custom made, nothing is more beautiful than knowing that you can open a gift that your loved one gave to you, or you're going to give to them, and it's custom made specifically for them, and that is where I come in with my business. So you can also support me that way as well, okay? So enough with me, say goodbye to Melanie the Christmas tree, even though she's still in her raw form. It's okay. She's going to be dolled up soon, all right? And I thank you guys, everyone, and continue to have a beautiful day, a beautiful week whenever you're watching this video. Till next time, peace.